Claude can now connect directly to YouTube data, real search volumes, real competitor stats, and real outlier videos. And I will start this video by showing you one example. This is the prompt: find me 10 outlier videos about AI tools from the past 3 months that massively outperformed their channel average. Because we are looking not for the biggest channel, not for the subscriber count, we are looking for the best video ideas that people are actually craving for. And also tell me which 3 I should make my own versions of first. And you can see Claude gave us 10 ideas. We got the subscriber number, we have the views number, and also on the right you can see by how much this video outperformed the channel average. So this gives us a really great idea what viewers want to see. But if you don't have ideas still, you can see on that also Claude gave us 3 different ideas that are similar to these outliers. We can actually start making this week. And all of this is possible because we are using vidIQ. This is what this video is all about. Because vidIQ pulls real YouTube data, and actually in the past this whole process could take you a few hours up to 1 day to actually find all this information from all the different channels, and now you can see we can do it in under 30 seconds. That's why in this video I will show you the exact setup, then run 2 more prompts live so you can actually see how this thing really works. So whether you run a YouTube channel or just want to build AI systems for clients, stick around. So first of all, what is actually happening here? There's a tool called vidIQ, and almost every YouTuber is using it. Big channels, small channels, yeah, I would say basically everyone. They track over 135 million channels and 12 billion videos. vidIQ just released something called an MCP server. MCP just means Claude can talk directly to vidIQ and fetch all of this YouTube data live. So no more clicking to dashboard. You just ask Claude the question, Claude pulls the real numbers, real keywords, real competitor data, and real outlier videos I just showed you in the demo. If you don't have vidIQ account yet, you can find the link in description. It's my affiliate link, but good news, this will work also with a free tier for now. And now let me show you the setup. This is the easy part. Open Claude.ai. Click on your profile in the bottom left, then click on Settings, open the Connectors tab, and add custom connectors. In the name field, type vidIQ, and in the server field, paste in the link you see on the screen and click Connect. By the way, you can find all instructions on the vidIQ website. I will leave the link in the description because they have instructions how you can use the same system on Claude, Cursor, ChatGPT, Claude Code, and OpenClaw. So you can see the same link and the same instructions I just mentioned. After you add it on Claude, you have to sign in to your vidIQ account and click Authorized. And it's done, you are connected. Now we'll show you 2 more prompts I use daily. First one is score my title. This one is gold if you're about to publish a video. I will show you how it works. So score this YouTube title for click-through rate, and I put in my video title idea for this video I'm recording right now. For example, I want to call it Best Claude tool for YouTube. This is actually where you type in your title. Then give me 5 stronger versions that include the best low competition keywords in this niche. And this is why vidIQ data is really important, because it tracks YouTube videos, YouTube channels, and also YouTube search volumes. It can find the best keywords for your videos. I do it for all my videos. Sometimes I change some words because some of the titles are taken. But again, this is a really great way to find some great keywords for the videos you already are making. So let's see what it thinks about my idea. So the title scored only 66, which is not great. And we got some keyword ideas. So AI automation agent, how to make videos with Claude, which is popular, how to make videos with Claude Code. And what's also really important, it's looking for low competition keywords, not only the most popular keywords, because usually it's really hard to compete with bigger channels on these really popular keywords. For this reason, if you are a smaller channel like mine, by the way, subscribe, you have to go for these smaller niche keywords to actually start growth. This is what I do with all my channels. By the way, in the future videos, I'm going to talk about all my other channels. And if you scroll down, you can see we got 5 ideas with scores and also what keywords each of these titles could actually target. And I think everyone who's trying to grow on YouTube or helping with strategy need to use this tool because, again, for now it's free and also you're just getting really good data you can use. Now let's move to the prompt 3 where you can actually audit our competitors. So the prompt goes like this. audit this YouTube channel for me. This is where you input your competitors. I added Nate's channel, which is one of the biggest people in the automation space. So tell me their best performing format, top 3 keywords they rank for, and 3 content gaps I should make my videos about. So basically, I want to know how they do it, what are they targeting, and also what gaps there are to actually try and compete them. So you can see the subscriber count, the views, the best performing formats, 3 keywords he ranks for. So I think these are the keywords he used to grow his channel. Claude Code, of course, one of the biggest. And also we got the most important part, 3 content gaps we can actually fill. So I don't want to bore you with all this information because all of you are probably in different niches. But again, this tool is really great to spy on your competitors, find their weaknesses, also figure out how they actually manage to get these numbers, these views, these subscribers, and again, try to beat them. So guys, go and test it out while it's free. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.